Introducing the VMC1580 Vertical Machining Center, built for large-scale machining requirements. The machine equipped with GSK control system, with options available for FANUC and Siemens. High-torque PT50 spindle is ideal for heavy-duty cutting, meeting rigorous machining requirements. With X, Y, and Z-axis travels of 1,500, 800, 700 millimeters. A 24-station disc-type automatic tool changer enhances operational efficiency. The machine is equipped with high-quality pneumatic components and a large capacity automatic lubrication system. It utilizes reliable, durable Rigidity electrical components. If you are interested, please contact me today.